This 2025 Jayco Swift 20E is a Class B RV. It is located in Lubbock, Texas, 79403 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Lubbock. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features Murphy bed. This 2025 Jayco Swift 20E is built on a Ram ProMaster 3500 van chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.